Master the IELTS listening. Understanding question types. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're diving deep into the IELTS listening section. We'll explore the different types of questions you'll come across. By understanding these types, you can tailor your listening strategies and optimize your scores. So, let's get started. This is perhaps one of the most common types. You'll be provided with a question and 3 or 4 potential answers. Your task? Listen to the conversation or monologue and choose the correct answer. Remember, focus on the main ideas. Watch out for distractors. They might sound correct, but always ensure it matches the context. In matching questions, you'll have a list of options which you'll need to match with another list. It could be a list of speakers and their opinions, or a list of items and their descriptions. Tips: anticipate answers based on question cues. Listen for synonyms, as the spoken word might differ from the written options. You'll be presented with a plan, map, or diagram, and you'll need to label it based on what you hear. It's essential to familiarize yourself with the diagram before the audio starts. Focus on directions, positions, or descriptive words in the conversation. You will be given an incomplete form, set of notes, table, or flowchart. Listen carefully to fill in the gaps with the correct information. To ace this, predict the type of answer required, e.g., number, noun, verb. Be cautious of word limits. You'll have to complete sentences with the missing word or words based on what you hear. Keep these in mind. Stay within the word limit. Listen for the main idea and specific details. Be alert to paraphrasing. For these, you'll need to answer questions in a few words based on the listening material. Here's how to approach. Be concise. Stick to the word limit. Extract the main point from the conversation or monologue. That wraps up our overview of the IELTS listening question types. By understanding these and practicing them diligently, you're setting yourself up for success. Remember, the key to mastering listening is consistent practice and strategic approach. We hope this video has illuminated your IELTS journey. Until next time, happy learning!